Good day, sir. I am Christine Maynocos from BSBA 1A. So, number 1, what are the tax accounting method in reporting income? So, the more common of the two methods for individual taxpayer is the cash method. However, most of businesses prepare their tax return using the accrual method. Both tax accounting method are the subject to the same tax to the same tax code. The only difference in tax years is the tax years in which you report income and deduction. Under the cash method, you generally report income in the tax year you receive it and deduct expenses in the tax year in which you pay the expenses. Under the actual method, you generally report income the, in the tax year you earn it, regardless of when payment is received. The two main accounting methods are cash accounting and accrual accounting. Cash accounting records revenue and expenses when they are received and paid. Accrual accounting method records revenue and expenses when they are occur. Generally accepted accounting principles requires actual accounting. Number 2, what are the special features of regular income taxation? Ordinary income is any type of income earned by an organization or an individual that is taxable at ordinary rates. It includes wage, salary, tips, bonuses, commissions, rents, royalties, short-term capital gains, unqualified dividends, and interest income. Types of basic tax individual earn. Individual income tax, corporate income tax, payroll tax, capital gain tax, sales tax, and gross receipts tax, value-added taxes, excise taxes. Characteristic of the regular income tax. Number 1, general in coverage. Regular income tax applies to all items of income except those that are subject to final tax, capital gains tax, and special tax regimes. Number 2, a net income tax. The regular tax is an imposition and residual profits or gain after deduction for expenses and personal exemptions allowable. Number 3, an annual income tax. The regular income tax applies on yearly profit or gains. The gross income and expenses of the taxpayer are measured using the accounting method adopted by the taxpayer and are reported to the government over the accounting period selected by the taxpayers. Number 4, creditable withholding tax. These are advanced tax that must be deduct against regular tax due in computing the tax still due to the government. Number 5, progressive or proportional tax imposes a flat or proportional tax. Last number 3, what are the features of final income tax? Income subject to final tax, which are the subject collection or deducting of tax at source, and such tax collected or deducted at source is treated as final tax liability in respect of such final withholding tax is the kind of withholding tax with a prescribed or uncertain income payments and is not credible against the income tax of the payee on their income subject to regular rates of the tax for the taxable year. So that's all, sir. Thank you.